everybody, this is your girl Stephanie Renee. Welcome back, and this is another hair unboxing. Once again, we have a wig by Luvme Hair. This time I received the undetachable, invisible, lace glueless 13x4 frontal lace wig in real HD lace. Now this wig looks amazing. I took a peek and the lace, it's great. The knots are already bleached. The hairline looks so natural, but you will all see that later on in the video. Let's get into the unboxing because you know they sent some extra goodies in the package. So we're gonna get into that, and then we're gonna get into the wig install. I'm currently at the hair lab in Houston, Texas, and I'm gonna have my friend Hollywood the Stylist install my unit today. So this is gonna be so slayed and laid. I cannot wait. Now before we get into the actual install, we want to talk about what came in my Luvme Hair box. I thought they were going to send the same trinkets as before, but to my surprise, it was something completely different. This time it came in a little silk bag. So cute, so nice, right? And we're going to see what's inside. The first thing I see is this satin gold scrunchie. You know, scrunchies are back now and they are actually pretty cute. So I think I have an outfit to go with this. Definitely. Next in the bag is this ruby red purse hook. Portable purse hook. Can you see it? Isn't this nice? Like, next we have one of my favorite things. You all know. Lashes. Wow, they're a little longer than what I usually wear, but they are super nice, especially this pair at the bottom. I will be wearing these soon, so I'll be doing a review on these lashes. Next up in our bag of goodies, we have some festive holiday nails. Aren't these so cute? They have the Santa on them with the snowman and snowflakes in the tree. Oh, Christmas ready. The last item in the bag really surprised me because there's some rose gold diamond-ish earrings. Aren't these nice? Like, pretty good quality for me because I usually get my earrings from little places anyway. So this is actually really cute. I'm surprised. I'm surprised you get all this in this little goodie bag. Thank you, Luvme Hair. They were also nice enough to send me this feathering comb, which is really gonna come in handy once we get these curls popping. Also, another $10 gift card. Yay! Drum roll, please. We have the wig. Taking off the net and the reveal. Is a very nice, healthy unit. Look at this hair. Look at the knots. Just if you can see the knots. Amazing. Already bleached, ready to go right out of the box. Look at that hairline. This is gonna look great. Here we go. We're gonna install the unit now. Bye.